Namaskar. Anxiety is a big issue. With current developments, each and every one of us has got this fear of future, fear of unknown. And fear of unknown or fear of future is anxiety. This anxiety is totally depend on your thought process. This anxiety is totally depend on how your mind is behaving. So let us deal with this mind stuff, because either way nothing is in our hand as of now. We are just seeking for the answers to current situation. But this stress or this anxiety can be a big threat, big problem, as it hampers your immunity. So we need to tackle this anxiety issue as an emergency or as an urgency. My dear friends, taking care of this anxiety or taking care of mind in a way is very easy. You just need to take support of your breath. Let us today learn some practical ways to deal with this mind. And these breath modifications or these breath exercises in yogic science are known as pranayam. We can talk in detail about scientific aspect of pranayam later. Today, let us talk about the practical ways to do this pranayam. To start with pranayam or to start pranayam, you need to understand a proper and normal way of breathing. A normal way of breathing or a healthy way of breathing is that when you inhale the air, that air should go in. At that time, your abdomen should bulge out. And when you exhale, when you take out the air, your abdomen should go in. This is the first and most important thing which each one of us should remember. So I'll show you the deep breathing, the first step or the prerequisite of pranayam. So in deep breathing, you have to take any comfortable position, wherever you are comfortable. You can sit on chair, you can sit on floor, or in any comfortable position where you can keep your back straight. So in upright position, just inhale with complete awareness, and this inhalation will be This is how you should train your breathing pattern. When you inhale, your abdomen should go out, and when you exhale, your abdomen should go in. This is the first prerequisite to start with breathing exercises or start with pranayam. We can call this as deep breathing exercises. So to remind you once again, to start with pranayam, you need to correct your breathing pattern. Let me tell you once again that when you inhale, your abdomen should bulge out, and when you exhale, your abdomen should go in. This is deep breathing. I always say this in my lectures or to my students that every pranayam should be individually given to the person. Not all pranayams to be done by everyone. But as an exception, I am teaching you or I am talking to you about every possible pranayam which can be done safely and which can be done in generalized way. The safe most pranayam according to me is Anulom, vilom, or alternate nostril breathing. We have right nostril and left nostril. If you observe minutely, if you have good observation capacity, you will realize that at a time only one of our nostril works. So either I am breathing with my right nostril or left nostril at a time. To observe this, you can just make yourself calm down and just observe or watch your both nostril. And you will find that one nostril at a time works. To balance the flow of air in both nostrils, this alternate nostril breathing technique is very much helpful. It is also called as Anulom vilom pranayam. So you have to make a certain arrangement of your fingers. So these two fingers will go down and you will adopt this mudra. This is called pranayam mudra. If this is difficult to adopt, then you can just put these fingers on your forehead and your thumb on your right nostril and these two fingers on your left nostril. This is the arrangement of your fingers. I will go with pranayam mudra. So I'll just bend these two fingers and I will put my thumb on right nostril and I will inhale with left nostril. After inhalation, I will close my left nostril and I will open my right nostril and I will exhale through right nostril. Again, inhale through right nostril and exhale through left. This is one round of Anulom vilom. I will again repeat this. Let me tell you that we will first inhale with left nostril, exhale with right nostril, then inhale with right nostril, exhale with left nostril. This is one round of Anulom vilom. I'll demonstrate, I'll show you so that you can understand. This is one round. This is called alternate nostril breathing. This alternate nostril breathing or Anulom vilom pranayam, this is very much helpful in balancing yourself. When I say balancing yourself, it will also take care of imbalance in your mind also. All your anxieties, all your worries can be brought down with continuous and regular practice of Anulom vilom. Now, how many rounds one can do? I personally feel that as much as you can do. Minimum 11 rounds of Anulom vilom will be of much help. In next video, we'll learn of another very important pranayam for stress, anxiety, that is called Bhramari. Stay tuned, we'll be back with Bhramari in next video. Thank you.